Welcome back to our tutorial series on Microsoft Excel. Today, we'll be exploring some of the basic yet powerful functions in Excel, including sum, average, max, min, and count. These functions are essential for any user and will help you efficiently calculate and summarize your data. The great news is that the layout, otherwise known as the syntax, for each of these functions are the same, so once you understand how to use one, you'll be able to use the others with ease. Let's start with the sum function, which adds up a range of numbers. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Type =SUM, and then select the range of cells you want to add. You can click and drag to select the cells. This will then write the cell reference in the function for you. You can then close the reference with a close bracket and press Enter to confirm. There! You have made your first function. There is, however, a quicker method to use in the long term. That works when there is more data to capture. So let's start the function again. This time when selecting the range of cells we want to sum. First, click into the column or row you want to select and use Ctrl plus Shift plus an arrow key direction. For example, if your data is in column A, place your cursor in the first cell of the range, hold down Ctrl plus Shift, and then press the down arrow key to quickly select all cells in that column. Close the bracket and press Enter. Your formula should look something like this on screen. Equals sum, B2, B14. Next, let's calculate the mean of a range of numbers using the average function. Click on the cell where you want the average to appear. Type =average, and then use Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow keys to select your data range. Close the brackets and press Enter. For example, =average, D2, D14 will give you the average of the numbers in that range. The max function finds the highest value in a range of numbers. Click on the cell where you want the maximum value to appear. Type =max, and then select your range using the quick selection method, Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow keys. Close the brackets and press Enter. Your formula will look like this, =max, F2, Ref14. Similarly, the min function finds the lowest value in a range of numbers. Click on the cell where you want the minimum value to appear. Type =min, and select your range with the quick selection method. Close the brackets and press Enter. Your formula should be =min, G2, G14. The count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers within a range. Click on the cell where you want the count to appear. Type =count, and select your range using Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow keys. Close the bracket and press Enter. For example, =count, I2, I14 will count the number of cells with numeric values in that range. If you need to use multiple ranges of data within a function, you can expand your range horizontally as well as vertically to include more data. Or if you need to be specific with which ranges you want, you can press the comma key between each range, before closing your function with a close bracket. As you can see, the syntax and layout for each of these functions are identical. You type the function name followed by an opening bracket, select your range, and close the brackets before pressing Enter. This consistency makes it easy to learn and apply these basic functions. These basic functions, sum, average, max, min, and count, are fundamental tools in Excel that can help you analyze your data quickly and efficiently. Remember, using the Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow keys for quick selection can save you a lot of time, especially when dealing with large datasets. We'll be covering more advanced functions, including if statements, in our upcoming tutorials. These will allow you to perform more complex calculations and data analysis. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next tutorial.